As ever since nag-skyrocket lahat.
Dati
Kasi kung
ba
tunay sila, first time.
First time.
After 29 years, first time. First
So,
time.
you really believe na you have a calling.
Meron.
Ah,
I have
by the way,
dreams.
if you really read the Bible, study the Bible, the purpose of God for every person that are alive today is for him to become like Jesus. Do you agree with that?
Yes, yes.
Romans
Yes.
chapter 8 verse 29, 28 and said, those whom he foreknew,
Fernando.
he predestined them to become, to be conformed to the image of his son, so that Jesus will be just like our brother. So, for those whom he foreknew, does he knew everybody? Does God knows everybody? Then everybody is destined to be conformed to his son. So, the more you see him, and the more you are close to him, you will become like him. That's the way, and the good promise is that those whom he predestined, they are already called. Those that are called, they will be justified. Mapawalang sala. Those who are justified, they will be glorified with him. You will manifest the glory of God. That's what I mean by you will be glorified with him. Wherever he is, you are with him. I mean, wherever Jesus is, because you are one, actually, this thing is happening already in the spirit, in our spirit. Never forget that. In our mind, in our human understanding, sometimes we feel, because we are under the natural realm, yung feeling of yung five senses, natural senses. Everybody are aware of that, and they live only according to that. That's not the basis of Christianity. Natural, physical, flesh, no. First, experience it in the spirit. That's why five natural senses is also real. But the ultimate reality is in the spirit. Because you are a spirit. You've been one with God in your spirit. So when you are close to God in the spirit, then you can bring it here in the realm. Do you agree with that? Na
Yes.
mo bitaw ng
We are one with Christ.
you know, when Christ
Christ is in me.
in me.
I believe. Iba. Then I have dreams also, Tito Jude. Tanong, share ko lang sa'yo. First dream ko is, sa Noveliches ako. Then, pumasok ako ng pintuan, lumabas ako sa likod. Then, I was shouting at my dream, magpakita ka. Then, there's a cloud, thundering. Sobrang lakas. Bang! 3 times. Every time na kumikidlat, sobrang lakas, nanginginig ako. As yung pinakatatlong kidlat, pinakatatlong kulog na sobrang lakas, napalipad ako. Pagising ko, lahat ng balahibo ko nakatayo. Then worship ako kagad. I fear and tremble before you, O God. Second dream, river. Ang mahabang river. Then yung third dream is, may orbs.
What?
Yung river, may orbs.
Herb.
Orbs.
Yung parang ilaw.
Yung parang may mga bola.
Balls of fire.
Ay,
Parang ilaw lang dyan lang.
parang marble. Orbs, marble sa waters. So, may kumusap sa akin, may kumukuha ka ng orbs. Then may nagsalita sa akin, bakit namimili ka ng ililigtas mo? Iligtas mo lahat yan. Tapos tinuro niya sa akin, may mga orbs na tayo-tayo na. Tapos kinuha ko lahat. Tapos nagising na ako. Then fourth dream is, hindi ko sure kung bahay yun. Basta white na building. Tapos kinakain ng lava.
Kinakain ng
Lava. May
lava.
lava na tumaan. Yun yung
Na-destroy.
dami nangyari.
Lately yan, yung mga dreams mo. Nung pag-uwi mo dito?
Singapore na, lahat.
Sige mo.
Then, kinausap rin niya ako 3 beses. Sabi niya, first na usap niya sa akin is, mag-resign ka.
Audible na, marinig mo? Mga yung, basta na, dito,
Parang ano siya eh,
ibig experience
may
mo.
kausap ako eh.
Oh.
Hindi ko ma-explain eh, pero may kausap ako na hindi ako. May kausap talaga ako na hindi ako. So sabi niya sa akin, mag-resign ka. Eh sumasagot eh. Marami po akong bayarin. Sabi niya, akong bahala sa'yo. Okay. Yun yung una niya sabi. Pangalawa, nag-gym ako noon sa Singapore. Habang nag-gym, kinausap niya ako. I-surrender mo lahat sa akin. Mamahalin kita ng lubos-lubusan. Magkasakit ka man, papagalingin kita.
Wow.
Kasi nung time na yun, sobrang dami kong vices. Yossi, alak. Buti nabitawan ko rin yung drugs, pero yun. So nabitawan ko yung Yossi. Yung Yossi, hindi ako nag-cope. Nung nag-yes ako sa kanya, parang hindi ako nag-Yossi. Nawala kagad yung Yossi. Yung ano ko sa Yossi nawala. Galing. Then yung third is, sabi niya sa akin, through a pastor, sabi niya sa akin is, enjoyin mo ito, kilalanin mo pa si Lord Jesus at malalaman mo yung will ni God the Father. So yun yung pangatlong sinabi niya sa akin. So,
Ano yan, kasi yung vices, very hard to overcome. For you to be able to stop it in an instant, supernatural.
iba. Kasi ang sabi ko sa kanya, natakot ako na itigil yung Yossi. Kasi ang understanding ko is, baka mag-collapse yung lungs ko. For after 15 years of smoking,
Oh.
baka mag-collapse. Pero sa kanya iba, o bahala sa'yo. Nawala. Iba.
Yung sa kunin na nabulabag ba? O yung ano kaya?
Nagsasalita siya ng wow! Kami na ganyan. Wow, wala na yung iba na yung mga sinasabi.
Hello.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay.
Yawi? Oo, yawi.
Tyler, here lang, here lang. Kaya pala papasok.
Hindi yan. Jen Alba. Hello. Sabi ko, sis Kai, sabi niya, hello. Sabi niya, classmates say those things. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya nagsasalita.
Live? Sige ako, pre.
Tyler, hold. On the side. Hold on the chair.
Hawak siya. Hawak.
Tanggalin mo yung hawak niya. Yan. Two hands, baby.
And palagi ko siyang ina-acknowledge. So, yung mga bata na notice ko, they have the wisdom na galing kay God. And every day, I pray for them. Awa ng Diyos, pinamasihan na, tingnan mo sila, wala, as in, bless na bless. Then, yung serve si God. So, talagang so blessed. So, ikaw, gusto ko para sa iyo is, huwag na awayin sa nangyayari. Para gumaan ang buhay, para ma-bless din si Brian. Bigyan siya ng magandang trabaho. Pag-pray mo si Brian. And yung mga bata, hindi nagkakasakit.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Ali!
Ingat po, ingat.
Bye!
Kasama sila. Ako no?
Ito yung babag na isa sa'yo? Kulay beige. Ayun o. Oh, you're so hard-headed.